Here's looking inside the small peephole. Right directly in front, you can see the igniter. There's that funky little adapter up top that I was telling you about. And right on the other side is the rod. I'm going to switch holes. Go up to this hole. And I'm going to show you inside also. This way. Okay, we've got the ignition. It's right there. You can just kind of sort of see it right there. And then see the rods over on the right side. The ignition's on the left side. I don't know if you can see it. Try to aim the light just a little bit better. There it is, right there. Alright, and you see the tube goes all the way down and back up to right here. Keep the light on it. So here's the fan that clicks on. Here's the unit which powers this thing, vent up here, which is supposed to feed outside, but I don't have it feeding outside. This is the main power right here. Switch there, switches on, switches here, switches on. And then you see the wires go up there, and then all the wires there. And then we got the wire that goes to the fan here, and that comes down and under, which feeds into the main power supply unit, which then here is the this is the let me keep the light there so I can get it. Right there. And that. See the lines go up. And then this light feeds down. Follow the wires. Back it up so you can see. So you can see these wires here go inside, which is this is the igniter. Goes to right here. And these are the switches that control the valve. This is the ground wire. This is your live wire. This is your ground. Ground goes back up to the main box. I got your inlet. Outlets right on the back side here. There's these two screws which hold it in. There's one here. And there's one right here. And this is your igniter, which is right here, and it's actually got the braided cover on the inside, which I showed you. And this is that unit, the night ride unit I was telling you about, and here's the little LED indicator that comes on. And I'm going to go turn it on right now, so you can see the flame and everything else. On switch, crank it up. Come over here really fast. Now you're going to hear the fan click on here shortly. And you'll also see the light click on. Just wait a second. Alright, the fan just clicked on. The light just clicked on. I'm going to put you inside the hole here. Hopefully we can watch the igniter switch light up. Oh, there it goes. Stick it in there. Just watch, I'll get brighter. It's brighter. It gets really, really red in there. See, it's getting really, really bright. And then that, just click the ignition control. Just clicked this on. The valve, gas valve just closed. Try to come on a second time, but let me just back it up so you can see what's going on. This is going to click on a second time. Just hold it here. Just give it a second. Fan's still running. There we go, clicked on. Which means it should be turning on a second time. As you can see, it's blowing up really fast again. Even faster the second time around. And then you can hear the clicks. There's a click of the gas solenoid. Put it right beside it. You'll hear the clicks here in a second. Click. And here's it coming off. There it is right there. So by the looks of it, I get power from this unit right here, which is feeding. Back it up a little bit. So we get power from here, which seems to be feeding into here, which is the little igniter that's in there, the one that was glowing red, which we saw through this hole right here. And then this ignition control sends power down to here, which says and feels like it's opening up this valve, which then is supposed to send gas into this chamber here. And then this clicks again, and then this clicks again, and it tells it to shut off again. Let's try it a third time. It might work this time. But it's really bright in there, as you can see. This is around 3. I'm even messing. Whatever. I'm gonna try putting lighter in there to see. See, there's nothing. I can't get any gas in there, so I'll try to put a lighter in there. But I just can't reach far enough. So, and obviously the air is really sucking it down. So, anyways, hope this might be a little shaky, and I do apologize. Hopefully it all works.